Millions of pounds of human hair are discarded every year, from barbershops and salons. But what if this everyday waste could be transformed into cutting-edge industrial materials? Welcome to a multi-million-dollar high-tech factory, where advanced automation turns salon clippings into valuable resources. From raw collection to precision manufacturing, this is industrial recycling at its most innovative.
Powered by robotics, smart sensors,
and state-of-the-art technology.
high-pressure washing stations remove dirt, oils, and residues, while sterilization chambers use advanced heat and chemical treatments to ensure complete hygiene and safety.
Robotic arms then move the cleaned fibers into refinement zones,
where specialized machinery breaks down the natural keratin proteins.
Blending systems mix human hair with other sustainable materials, creating custom composites for high-performance applications.
Throughout the plant, real-time monitoring systems track every parameter.
This factory represents the future of sustainable manufacturing. Turning what was once considered waste into advanced materials that power industries worldwide.